In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a course on Udemy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Udemy's official website. Make sure you land on the legitimate Udemy domain so you don't run into any unexpected pages. A quick visual check of the URL bar will confirm you're in the right place. Next, sign in to the instructor account that holds the course you want to remove. Use the same credentials you normally use for course management. If you manage multiple instructor accounts, double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding. This helps avoid accidentally modifying the wrong course. After signing in, look for the instructor section, sometimes labeled as Teach on Udemy or Instructor Dashboard. Click that to access your creator dashboard. This is where all your course management tools live, so take a moment to let the dashboard load fully. Once you're on the dashboard, review the list of courses you have published or drafted. Scan the titles carefully and identify the specific course you intend to delete. Confirm it's the correct course by checking the subtitle or preview thumbnail if needed. This is a good point to pause. If you think you might need the content later, consider downloading any resources or making a backup before continuing. When you've identified the right course, select it to open the course management view, then click the Edit button to go into the editor and settings. The Edit area provides access to all the administrative controls for that course. Take a quick look around so you're comfortable with where things are located. Now navigate within the course management interface to the settings or management section where deletion options are located. Different areas of the dashboard may be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the section that controls course status and administrative actions. Move carefully through these menus until you see the option to delete the course. Click the Delete button to initiate removal of the course content. At this point, Udemy will prompt you to confirm this action. Read the confirmation message thoroughly to make sure you understand the consequences, such as permanent removal from the platform and the impact on enrolled students. Finally, confirm your decision when prompted. Once you confirm, the course will be permanently removed from Udemy. If you change your mind afterward, be aware that restoration may not be possible, so ensure you have any backups you want to keep. And that's it. Your course is deleted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if this walkthrough helped you.